Did you know that the average person eats more than half of their daily calories from foods that didn't even exist 100 years ago? Yes, most of what we eat today is invented in factories, not grown on farms. And here's the scary part. These ultra-processed foods are designed to make you eat more, crave more, and feel hungry faster, so the companies profit, while your body pays the price. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share may change the way you look at your groceries forever. What exactly are ultra-processed foods? Ultra-processed foods are products that go through multiple industrial steps, using ingredients you would never find in a normal kitchen. They are engineered for taste, long shelf life, and convenience, not for nutrition. These include industrial grains like instant noodles or flavored cereals, sweet snacks such as packaged cookies and candy bars, ready-to-eat or ready-to-heat meals like frozen dinners, foods loaded with added sugar, trans fats, preservatives, colorings, and refined starches. Basically, they're fake foods pretending to be real food. Why they matter? What they do to your body. 1. They confuse your hunger signals. Ultra-processed foods are created to be hyper-palatable, meaning your brain loves them and wants more. They override natural hunger cues, making you eat way more than your body actually needs. 2. They spike your blood sugar. Refined starches plus added sugars equals instant glucose spikes. This causes sudden energy crashes, more cravings, long-term risk of insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. 3. They increase inflammation. Many contain trans fats, preservatives, and artificial additives that your body sees as foreign. Inflammation can lead to bloating, joint pain, skin issues, long-term chronic diseases. 4. They weaken your gut health. Most ultra-processed foods have little to zero fiber, while containing chemicals meant to enhance texture or flavor. 5. They lack essential nutrients. Your body needs vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and natural compounds to function. Ultra-processed foods offer calories without nourishment, leaving your body hungry, even after eating. Your body is designed for whole, real foods, foods that grow from the earth, not a factory machine. When you give your body what it recognizes, it works with you. More energy, better mood, clearer skin, and a healthier weight. When you give it engineered food, it fights back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Healthy eating doesn't have to be perfect. Just being aware is already a powerful first step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness content. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.